Okay, so we are having one series known as Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series, first we will see the series using looping, then we can move with this branched recursive call. Okay, so what do you mean by this Fibonacci series? So Fibonacci series means it's a sequence which is generated based on the previous numbers. Say for example, if I'm having 0, 1, so start number will be 0, 1 or minus 1, 0. That is minus 1 and 0. So for example, this is my two number starting number means I will get the next sequence based on the addition of these two number. So what will be the addition of minus 1? Sorry, minus 1 and 1. Okay, so minus 1, 1 பண்ணுவாங்க சில sequence. So add பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get 0 or else சில sequence they will start from 0, 1. So if you add 0 and 1, what will be the next number? 0 plus 1?
1.
1. So if you add 1 plus 1, what will be my next number?
2.
2. So if I add 1 plus 2, the next number will be
3.
3. So next 2 plus 5. Next number will be 2 plus 3, 5. Okay.
5.
So 3 plus 5. So that, likewise, we can
8.
write the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci or Fibonacci அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க அந்த series. So we can write the Fibonacci series like this. So this can be implemented either through looping or we can go with recursive call also. So using recursive call means we will have a branch code. So 8 calculate பண்ணனும்னா Fibonacci series of 3 and 5 என்னங்கறத பார்த்துட்டு அதை ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா we can get 8. So அந்த மாதிரி லாஜிக் வரும். So we can go with the recursive concept for that. Okay, so this series name is Fibonacci or Fibonacci அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So Fibonacci series. So the Fibonacci series is nothing but writing the sequence based on the previous two values. So next 8th term வரணும்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. For example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8th term வேணும்னா we want to add this 2. So 5 plus 8 we will get the term as
13.
13. So up to 8 terms we generated the sequence. Okay. So how many number you want? எத்தனை term வேணுங்கிறது we will get from the user as an input. So based on the term, அத்தனை sequence we want to generate and put it as output in the output screen. So first we can see how to implement this sequence using looping concept. Then we will move with this recursive call. So our first number will be, so to generate 0, 0 ல இருந்தே நம்ம term ஆரம்பிக்கணும் அப்படினா first நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா we can assign a equal to -1 and b equal to 1. Okay. So we want to get input from the user term. எத்தனை termக்கு we want the series. So I think you people are using notes. So notes எடுங்க. So நான் வந்து ஒன்னு screenshot எடுத்துட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த நோட்ஸ்ல ஆட் பண்ணிட்டே போங்க. It will be more useful for you people. For இப்போ கிடையாது எப்பவுமே. Int of input of, so enter the number. So enter the term. Okay, so illa enter the term. So that will be the correct after word we can use. Enter the end term. How many terms we need the sequence. Next we can go with, we can go with while loop. So while first while concept use பண்ணிக்கலாம். So while I is less than or equal to that many term, I want to repeat the thing. C equal to a plus b. I want to add the previous two value. So here we are using the temporary concept. So first என்ன பண்றோம், next sequence generate பண்ணோம்னா we want to use the previous two values. So current third term use பண்ணனும், we want to add that first two value a and b. Next I want to change the a and b to the previous value. Okay, so first I'm adding I'm putting that in the output. Next, I want to change the a and b value. So now a should be the b value and my b should be the c value which we previously add the number last result. My last result should be b value and the previous b value should be my a value. அப்பதான் நம்ம நியூவா கால்குலேட் பண்ற c கரெக்டா இருக்கும். Okay, so இந்த பண்ணும். Next I want to increment that I நான் print பண்ணியாச்சு. So next நான் 8 னா 8 terms I want to go with. So next I'm incrementing this counter variable. Okay. So I want 8 numbers means see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. So we use one counter variable term. So term up. So for for checking that loop, we are using one I variable. So first I want to until I value 8. I want to repeat the logic. What I want to repeat the logic. So initial value a minus 1 and 1. So first C value will be calculated based on a plus b. Next I want to calculate the C value as my new my new b value will be the previous calculated result c value and my new a value will be the last uh, b value. Okay, so now the loop I will be incremented. So to I will be 2. So 2 less than or equal to term 8. Okay, the condition is true. We are entering into the for loop. Now I am calculating the new c value. So c value will be the previously interchanged a and b value. So interchanged a and b value என்ன இருக்கும்? A வந்து 1 and b வந்து 0 இருக்கும். So அதை add பண்ணனா I will get 1. So next I am interchanging. Okay, so new value calculate பண்றதுக்கு I am interchanging. இப்போ calculate பண்ணாத b value and அதோட previous value a value னு interchange பண்ணு. So likewise I am doing this sequence. Okay. So any doubt how to calculate the series, Fibonacci series using loop? The first two terms are 0 and 1. அந்த மாதிரி start ஆகி போகும். So all other terms லாம் என்ன வரும்னா obtaining by adding the preceding two terms. All other terms. nth term எப்படி கேக்குறோம் அப்படின்னா இப்படி வருதுன்னா n plus n minus 1 and n minus 2 add பண்ணோம்னா we will get the sequence. Okay, so nth term, the 8th term எப்படி கிடைக்குதுன்னா we are adding 7th term and 6th term so that we can get the value of 8th term. Okay, first two term வேணும். Okay, so first two term will be 0 and 1. Now second term எப்படின்னா previous two நம்ம சொல்றதுக்கு வேற initial two terms வேணும். 1 and second value 0 and second value will be 1. So அதுக்கப்புறம் உள்ள sequence எல்லாமே என்னன்னா it depends upon previous two terms. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term வேணும்னா we want to know the third term and we want to know the second term. Okay, Fibonacci series என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சுதா? Today it's time. So next class we will see how to convert this Fibonacci series using recursive function call. Okay, so உங்களுக்கு branching recursive போகும். We will see in the next